Here's a plug to a company that I bought parts for my truck. I've got a 97 C3500 one-ton dually crew cab. It's got a 350 in it, which is very rare for a dually one-ton. Most of them came with 454s, but I bought this with 58 miles, brand new. It's got 345,000 miles. Original engine, original transmission. But I was driving the freeway the other day and I broke a ball joint right there. I thought if that side broke, the other one's on its way too, so I rebuilt the whole thing. Ball joint, inner outer rods, linkages, coils, shocks. The shocks did not come with this kit, but everything here in brand new black paint is part of the kit. Gearbox, pitman arm, linkages on this side, inner outer tie rods. The ball joints are brand new, upper and lower. I did not change the control arm. Those are special lower control arms. When this truck is sitting on the ground with the tires on, these A-arms are about 2 fingers off the ground. It is slammed. It is slammed low. I did that when I was living in Los Angeles, and boy, did this truck making me some money. Huge automotive trend in LA, lowering stuff. And that's the only damage I did up there when the tire scraped. But this has been a great truck. I have never done anything to the engine major other than the alternator, and I did the spider in the intake. But this is what I took out. There's damage that I did. But if this side broke, I figured the other one is on its way. And even with occasional lubrication, look at this. There's no grease in there, but I did lube. Here's the upper, but this whole kit from the gearbox goes right here. I think O'Reilly wanted $170 for an A-arm. It did have a ball joint. So this kit I bought from Detroit Axle. Did not come with the shocks. These are, what were these, 115? These are KYBs, especially for a lower truck. But this is not hard to do. If you want to do this, you could jack the vehicle up above your head, obviously better, but I'm doing it in the driveway. But under $340 for everything. You have to send, there were no core charge. There was no core charge. But great product from a good company. And so now I'm going to put oil in the power steering and take this to get aligned Saturday and back on the road. I've checked the compression 3-4 months ago. Man, it's still good. So these are great 350 engines, being that most of them came with a 454. But never sell this truck. All right, guys. Peace. There's the steering wheel. The keys are in the house. But it's almost at 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. So if you do your work right, look how straight that wheel is. I have yet to go to the alignment shop. I wouldn't dare try and align this lower truck in my driveway. There's the other side. And that's pretty straight. But if you drive it like this without an alignment, you'll notice real quick that it's not aligned, because you'll start pulling or the tire will start wearing out. But I will definitely take it to the alignment shop Saturday. But after you do all your suspension work, you should be pretty close to that, the position of the front tires. And that is it, folks. I'm going to drop this. I've already lubed all the, greased all the fittings, which is super important to do. Prevent any damage and have many miles of fun. But time to put her down and take her to the alignment shop.